knock's not there right now. Well, it sounds normal from above right now. Let's see if it changes with the revs. I'll turn this off. Off. Oh, it's hard to keep the turbo out. You can hear it. So now let's put her in drive or reverse. Holding the brake. E-brake's on. Let's check those temperatures again actually. Ugh. Shit is so loud. 27. This one's cooler, 18. There's a difference between those two. 27. 7 degrees difference. Manifold gets up to 58. Alright, so it's knocking and put her into there's neutral. Oh. It's still there in neutral when I first started this morning, yeah. But obviously once you put it in drive or reverse, it's very loud.
Why does it get worse when you're home?
I don't know. Again, number 2 injector, I believe, is now at 31. The number 1 injector, 25. 5 degrees difference, who knows? So, when I first started the truck, when it was cold, I noticed the knock was like, knock, 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 knock. And knock, 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 knock. It would have like a varying pattern, which would indicate that it's not necessarily based on the engine speed 100%, just somewhat. When it's in drive, obviously it's like knock, 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 but because it was coming in and out, I don't know, oil pressure, whatever.